multi-signature is a fully decentralized tool that protects your accounts. You can be able to link up multiple wallets into your magnet ecosystem. If you lose access to your key or your wallet, or somebody compromise your wallet, or somebody hijacks your account, you can log into Magnet through the back door using another wallet and then change your main wallet to another one and continue your business. This is the security that Magnet has added into the ecosystem, guys. Okay, what do you need to register in Magnet? What do you actually need? You need a Telegram account for the airdrop. Right now, we are mining the Magnet token right now for free. So get the link of Magnet. Get the link of Magnet. If you're watching this video from somebody, ask the person for the link of Magnet or the link to this clicker board, depending on the time you are watching this video. If you are watching from my YouTube channel, go to the description of this video. You are going to find the link where you can go ahead and register in Magnet, and then also link to join our Telegram group where we can give you more information about this. Okay, so you need a decentralized non-custodial wallet such as Trust Wallet, MetaMask, Token Pocket, Clever, and so on and so forth. You need DAI. DAI is DAI stablecoin for your registration. You need USDTPOS to receive dollar from external wallets or from exchanges. And then you need Matic or Pole to pay your gas fees, guys. So these are the things that you need, and that's all. That's all. In conclusion, join Magnet ecosystem as one of the pioneers and discover the unlimited opportunities for earning and growth in the Web3 era. All right. So guys, that is it. That is it, guys. You have seen the potentials of Magnet, and you've never seen anything like this. This is just the way I can explain it. There is so much money to be earned in this ecosystem. There is so much money to be earned, guys. I can assure you there is so much money. So all you need to do right now is to take advantage. Take advantage of this and start building your team. Right, so make sure you collect the link of Magnet and start building your business and start making your money. Check out other videos in this channel where I explain the reasons why you should do Magnets. I also explain these products one after the other in details. And then there are so many things I talked about. The clicker bots, you can find a lot of videos on my channels that talks about how to use these clicker bots in order to get this valuable airdrop. We also teach you a lot of other things in the channel. So watch the video. Make sure you share this video to someone. Make sure you comment. Make sure you give us like, and so on and so forth. So without wasting much of your time again, I've given you an opportunity. It's time for you to take an action. And I'm sure if you take action today, you are going to be among those that will be smiling very, very soon. So Magnet is your flagship. Magnet is your key to success. And you are going to become a money magnet doing magnet business. One more time, the blessed man is saying to you, see you in your dollars in Magnet, and see you in my next video. God bless you.